Warren Buffett believes, and so does Einstein, and so do we. We got to have an ability to reduce complicated to the simple. Today's whole session and the whole idea regarding Investopedia, first pioneered by one student of UPG called as Rushabh Rajubhai. He always used to tell me, sir, investments or investing is not that complicated. It are the so-called experts in market, they are trying to make people feel it is very complicated. This can be simplified. Photograph of Dhirubhai Ambani, the man called as who bought equity cult in stock market, after effects of which we are still feeling power. Pick stocks like Warren Buffett. His first investment strategy is you got to choose simplicity over complexity. All mistakes which any one of us must have done while investing, suppose we learn in true spirit to follow these 24 principles of investing, so then we can always say the plans which are given by Warren Buffett are not like something that will make you rich very fast, but what he believes it will not make you poor also. He prepares or he gives you the investment philosophy which is get rich in a slow mode. That's better than being nothing. First, such investment strategy is you got to choose simplicity over complexity. We got to remember that degree of difficulty does not count in investing. Look for long-lasting companies with predictable business models. Now, what do we mean by long-lasting companies? Those companies which have been there for decades and they have a product which would be demanded in future, and that in turn will result into good profitability. If you don't understand the business, so then Warren Buffett says you should not buy it. Now, how do I take this into account while undertaking my investment decisions? I had been an FMCG distributor, so then I understand FMCG business. Also because I am a consumer of telecom, so then I understand telecom. Then most of the stocks which I select are within my areas of competence, within the business which I invest. I will not go for power sector, real estate sector, infrastructure sector, for the obvious reason being what? The business is too complex for me to understand. But any one of us who understands that business and can evaluate and thereby makes investment decisions, so then it's okay. You got to make your own investment decision. That is independent thinking. We were all hearing, when markets were around 20,000, 21,000 level, this Diwali it will reach 30,000. Within our lifetime, we'll be able to see 1 lakh index. I have heard so-called experts at 3,000 rupees, they were saying, okay, we should buy Reliance Industries Limited. But when crash happened, so then at 2100, 2200, they say, please don't buy. It will touch 1750. That means, can we rely upon those people to make our investment decisions? No. That's what Warren Buffett says. If we got to make our own investment decision, we got to gain some basic knowledge of accounting and financial markets. Especially the things which I like to focus you is NAV method of valuation of shares, by which you know what is the intrinsic value of share. Also, another accounting principle which I'd like to know is to calculate earning per share. And then another very important ratio called as price earning ratio. We got to invest in stock where price earning ratio is reasonable. That's one thing. But I got to be sure regarding the future model of the business. That means the business will continue to be there, earnings will continue to grow. And that sector which is not in limelight right now is trading at low PE ratio. What will happen if earnings also grow and that sector also comes into limelight? So then that stock would turn out to be a multi-bagger for you. You got to approach financial advisors, brokers and talking head prophets with a healthy dose of skepticism. Many times brokers do not encourage you for long-term investing.